to Cheat Day. So I get it. We normally don't talk about TV on this show, but Riverdale.
Yeah, unless you've been living under a rock, you know what Riverdale is.
100%. And if you also watch the show, you know there's literally only one place to eat in the whole town.
It's Pops!
It's Pops! And I get so hungry from watching this show.
Like immediate cravings for milkshakes and Cole Sprouse.
So let's eat some Riverdale
Yay.
foods. You guys, before we get started, can you please hit that subscribe button so that we can continue to bring you more amazing content like this?
All right, so we're gonna have food from Pops, like for real.
Yep.
That's tied into all the characters from the show.
What do you think Cole Sprouse would eat?
I have no idea. Honestly, I don't. But
all of it.
I just got emotional.
Can someone bring in some tissues or some milkshakes? Oh my gosh, this is so yummy looking.
This looks so good.
This is the Betty Cooper milkshake.
So exciting.
And I love that the cherry is like so dark.
Because like Dark Betty, you know? It's like
I
a
know,
hint, like a subtle hint of Dark Betty.
Okay. This is so good already. Cheers, Sinead.
Woo!
One, two, three, cheers.
Cheers. That was the sweetest cherry I've ever tasted in my life. Look at the straw.
Okay, is this like homemade ice cream? What is this?
Oh my god, that's good.
What even is this? These are attached to the glass with frosting.
It's like frosting glue. Or just frosting, huh?
Well, I've eaten glue before too.
Yeah.
What is this?
This is like, I have so many thoughts running through my head.
But this is the Veronica milkshake.
I know, I love this. Very seductive.
It's super seductive. You know, some red and some, it looks like it's chocolate.
Cheers.
Cheers. Nipple to nipple.
That brought me a lot of joy. Ooh, that's like chocolatey, but like cocoa.
Like it's like a mysterious chocolate.
You know what it tastes like? It tastes like hot chocolate.
Cold hot chocolate.
Yeah, it's exactly what it tastes like.
There's also some sprinkles. I don't know if you can see. This is amazing. This is
so
the
good.
best episode of Cheat Day. Are we gonna get to sample those drugs they all take on the show? Jingle jangle.
Oh yeah.
I'm just curious. Asking for a
Is there
friend.
jingle jangle in this right now?
Mm-hmm.
I like the Betty milkshake more because I'm just not that big into chocolate, like IRL. But I relate more to Veronica than I do to Betty.
Okay. Definitely like the Betty, mostly because I like the combination of sprinkles on the frosting. I know that's not the milkshake, but who cares? Then in addition, I initially would say I connected and related more to Betty.
Yeah.
But now I'm more with Veronica because I feel like she's just misunderstood.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, I get you.
And I feel like Betty's got a lot going on.
She does.
We don't even really know what Pop serves on the menu. I'm imagining it's
Diner
this
food.
sort of stuff.
Yeah.
But we do know there's a lot of maple syrup in Riverdale. I don't know about this, but this looks freaking awesome.
Yeah, it does.
I need to get a bunch of cherries on my bite.
You get that so perfectly.
I don't know.
I'm just gonna go for it. I can't use a knife and fork. Who uses a knife and fork?
No one.
Today? I'm just gonna use my hands.
This is very bready pancakes. Don't you think so? They're very like hearty.
Like
Yeah,
if
Cheryl.
I finished this entire short stack, I wouldn't be able to eat for the rest of the day.
No, this is a very dense cake. Mm-hmm. 3 very dense cakes. The cherries though, there's something special about these cherries.
Yeah, do these have alcohol in them? Why does everything taste a little alcoholic?
Maybe it's just like a see it, dream it, believe it scenario for me.
Interesting,
and you.
interesting. But this is pretty representative of Cheryl Blossom, right? She looks like so perfectly put together on the outside.
But once you
In
open
the
it up,
inside?
it's a train wreck. Okay, so up next we have the Southside Serpents spicy sausage hash.
That literally looks like a snake.
I was gonna say it looks like a dinosaur went number 2. This is very heavy. It smells like there's some greenery happening inside there.
Yeah.
Should we just like dive right into this snake
Yes,
sausage?
yeah.
The coiling is so nice.
I would have never. First of all, when's the last time you heard somebody say the coiling? I would have never thought of like a turd right away, but like now you put that into my head.
That's all you're gonna think about.
Like straight up, that looks.
Oh wait, we lost the coils. Hold on, let me put them back.
guys.
Wow, or an intestine of a human, who knows?
You didn't see anything. Cut. And we're back. So I would have never thought that this looked like a turd, but now that you've said it,
It's all you're gonna see.
I just feel like I'm breaking off pieces of a dookie.
Let's just unclip.
Oh God.
Don't get bit. Look out. Does anyone have an EpiPen in case this guy bites? Boing, boing,
What
boing.
is happening? How come it has a second head?
No one eats this. Wait, so why is it green?
I can almost guarantee that they do.
Do you want to take a bite from each end? Sort of like a big noodle?
Should we Lady in the Tramp?
Let's Lady in the Tramp.
It'll take us an hour.
Like, throwing up. Okay, let's
Did
try
you
it
just
out.
cheers
I just cheers your little tip there.
That's a lot of like kale.
You know, I was gonna say that's why I appreciate this sausage because there's a lot of greenery in it.
Very healthy.
It has a very thick casing. Sorry. Look at it. When you take the casing off, it's a lot more palatable.
Do you know what casing is made out of?
Intestines, right? Yeah. So these are just look like some O'Brien potatoes from Ralph's. Really steamy, quite tasty.
Oh, it's hot! It's hot! It's hot! Yeah, careful. I feel like this is something, honestly, if you're being honest with us right now, you eat this for dinner.
I mean, yeah, I would eat this.
It's like loaded with vegetables.
Yeah, I would definitely eat the sausage. The potatoes, if they were like fried, deep fried, I would go for it, but this is yummy.
It's like a full-on garden in there.
Also, we have to add, you guys, that for this episode, we have like a legit chef preparing the food.
So it's actually really
That's
good.
why this stuff is freaking fantastic.
Woohoo!
Wow!
So this is the Josie and the Pussycats Triple Threat Club.
I want to cut it open to see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of meat on this
How
guy.
did you do that? Can you please teach me how to use a knife and fork?
So you just hold it like that, hold it down with one hand, and then, yeah, and this is definitely not, my mom would not accept my manners, but.
Yeah, because I don't feel like you can just put your hands on your food in a restaurant.
No,
you know?
I don't know what you would do. I would be like, excuse me, can you please take this back and cut it in half for me? Okay, so pretty much every like meat on the planet is in this sandwich. It looks like turkey, ham, something else, some bacon, 3 slices of bread, and a lot of love.
Well,
Here we
I
go.
removed my turkey, so I'm cheating a little bit.
1,
Sorry.
2, 3. Really good.
Yummy.
This is super yummy.
Yeah, it's really good.
What do club sandwiches remind you of?
I don't know. It just makes me think of like bologna sandwiches.
I was gonna say room service.
Really?
When I was a kid, I would always
never
order.
had a club sandwich and
When I was a
room
kid,
service.
always, every single time. There's something about having 3 slices of bread that really got me going. This is great. This is really good.
It's like a regular like restaurant sandwich. Like we could have never made this. I'm so happy we had a chef today.
Me too. And I do like Josie and the Pussycats as well
Uh-huh.
on the show. I think they're all so talented. Like IRL, I love it when they sing and do their performances, etc., etc. Is it dinner? Does it feel like dinner time to you, Sinead?
Feels like nap time, but whatever.
So
Stop
this is
it.
the Jug hamburger and the Archie golden rings. But Sinead, what's in these?
Cheeto dust?
Cheeto dust.
Oh, like also like a whole Cheeto. A whole
Stop.
Cheeto came out of mine. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I feel like they would really approve of this.
This is amazing.
Cheers.
Damn it, that's good.
Essence do Cheeto is definitely happening here.
But not like too much.
No,
you
it's like
know?
the perfect amount.
subtle.
This bun, do you see what it looks like?
A crown.
A crown, just like Jughead's hat.
It's amazing.
This is crazy.
That's so much bread.
This is really good.
Mm-hmm.
This is awesome.
It's so good.
I feel like we're never gonna have an episode like this again where all the food is actually so amazing.
Don't say that. Well, I think I've had enough diner food to last me for the entire 2018. Minus milkshakes, of course.
I just keep getting more and more full progressively, like as I sit here.
As the bread dissolves.
as the bread just like soaks into my snake intestine.
Yeah, that's right.
But you guys hit the comments. Let us know. Is there any food from Pops that you think we missed?
Yeah, and like, what's your favorite? What do you think Pop serves, like, for real, for real?
And what other TV shows should we do this with? You know what I think we should do it with? Grey's Anatomy and eat all hospital food.
Ooh, that's such a good idea.
I'm a genius!
Oh yeah, and Friends.
Oh my gosh, from Central Perk?
Yes.
It's just all coffee.
It's
and
all
everybody's just like,
coffee.
anywho guys, it's time for us to go. Thanks so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more Cheat Day.
Bye.
For more clever style, click that box over on the left to see us become professional hip-hop dancers. Or click that box over on the right for more cheat day where we take on grilled cheese.